Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into using Notion to manage your online courses effectively. This is your full 2025 guide. Our first step is setting up your workspace on Notion. Start by creating a new page and name it after your course. This step is important because it helps you to keep all your course-related content in one place, making it easier to manage. Now that we've done that, let's create subpages for each module or week of your course. This helps us because it breaks down your course into manageable parts, and you can focus on one module at a time. The reason we do this is to avoid overwhelming yourself with the entire course content. So go ahead and create subpages for each module and add a brief description of what each module entails. Next up, let's add your course materials. For each module subpage, you can add text blocks for your notes, embed your videos, or even link to external resources. This is crucial because it ensures all your study materials are in one place, making it easier for you to find and access them when needed. Also, Notion allows you to create to-do lists and set reminders for your assignments. Let me explain why this matters. By using these features, you can keep track of your tasks and deadlines, ensuring that you never miss an assignment or deadline. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you're adding and organizing your course materials and assignments in Notion, you're creating a streamlined study system that saves you time and increases your productivity. To round up, using Notion for your online courses allows you to manage your study materials and assignments effectively, all in one place. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized and easy to access. That's it for today's guide on using Notion for managing your online courses. Thanks for watching, and I hope this will be a game changer in your study routine.